All right. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand English, ma'am.
Are you a
I'm speaking.
100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Just friends, ma'am. I have
Remind
friends.
yourself that you come here to work and not to meet up with your friends, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I don't have, ma'am.
You don't have. Okay, do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am, I agree, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
But it's too high salary, ma'am.
Higher salary.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is your name?
My name is Jenna Bayubay, ma'am.
How old are you?
I'm 37 years old,
Are you
ma'am.
single or married?
Married, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
February 26, 1988, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
Uh, s- 60 kg, ma'am.
What about your height?
5'1", ma'am.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
Just high school level, ma'am.
Okay, so according to your profile, you got four kids, which is 20, 18, 15, and 5 years old. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
It's now, ma'am. My husband occupation is construction, but if I come there in Malaysia, he will take care my babies, my children, ma'am.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
I have five brother, ma'am, and five sisters.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
One, ma'am.
Are you the eldest? What is your rank in your family?
I'm the second one, ma'am.
You are the
Second.
second. So, according to you, this is not your first time working abroad, right? You have a
Yes,
working
ma'am.
experience in which country?
I work in Singapore.
Okay, how many years you
Uh,
work there?
in Singapore, ma'am, I worked there 1 year, 4 months.
1 year and 4 months. What month and what year did you started working there?
I forgot already, madam, because this one is long time already.
Yeah, so what year is it? Do you remember?
But I remember 2011
2011 until 2012.
till 2012.
Okay, so why you didn't finish your contract that time?
This one, madam, they sent me back in the Philippines because they said uh, they will go to another country, ma'am.
Oh, so what is your job responsibilities there?
I take care a small baby, ma'am, 8 months old.
One only?
Yes, ma'am,
While
one.
taking care of this 8 months old, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after Singapore, do you have any working experience?
I have, ma'am. After I going home here in the Philippines, I apply again. After 2 months, I go in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh.
How many years you work there in Saudi?
2 years, 4 months, 4 months,
Okay.
ma'am.
So what year did you started and what year did you finish?
2000, 2012 until 2015, ma'am.
Okay. So what is your job responsibilities there?
I take care also baby, madam, ironing the clothes,
Okay.
washing the clothes, and take care the elder.
Did you cook there?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the baby that you take care?
1 year old, ma'am.
What about the elderly?
The elderly, ma'am, is already 70 years old.
Is it female or male?
Female, ma'am.
Okay, so after 2015, do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
I go again, ma'am, in Saudi Arabia, Jeddah. Jeddah.
Okay, so how many years you work there?
The first one, madam. The 2 years, 4 months in Jeddah. After Jeddah, Riyadh.
Okay, so
In
how
Riyadh,
many
madam,
how many years you work in
I,
In KSA, Riyadh?
I 1 year. I forgot. In
What year did
Riyadh.
you started and what year did you finish?
2016, madam, until 2018.
So you worked there for, did you finish your contract? No.
This one, madam, no.
1 year and how many months?
1 year, 4 months.
1 year and 4 months. What happened why you didn't finish your contract?
I don't know, ma'am, because my madam before, they just quickly send me back in the Philippines because they always fighting with her husband.
Also, employers send you back in the Philippines lang. So what
Mm.
is your job there in Riyadh? House chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Cleaning, madam, and take care the baby.
How old is the baby that you take care?
2 years old, ma'am.
2 years old. Okay, after 2018, do you have any working experience or no more?
No more, ma'am.
So you've been in the Philippines 2018 until recently as a full-time mother, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so working abroad is not that so easy knowing that you have a working experience already. Okay, it's not new for you, but I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. That employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Houses here is quite big, there is no joke. So you need to get ready yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East. Yeah?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
I'm
take
ready.
care of children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I can take care the baby.
Can you take care
Everything.
elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have a 2 years contract, and once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Yeah? Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are
Oh,
entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
yes, ma'am. Yes.
We don't force people to come here, okay? If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. In Philippines, you can be the boss, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, we need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Jenna. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much
Thank
and
you.
have a good day. Bye.